Yeah, yo, you have so much attitude, my girl. Me have something for you, wind up yourself. Me have something for you, wind up yourself, man. Your body make me heart just a melt. All day upon the gram, me a mention. Can't tell you say you, girl, them good, ready. I know me want your body every day.
Hey loves, I'm here to give you this no makeup look, so if you're interested, keep watching. First I'm going to take the spoolie and make sure my eyebrows is brushed nice and neat. Now I'm going to take the brown eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild and I'm going to line up my eyebrows. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffee and conceal my eyebrows, just clean it up, make sure it's real nice. I'm going to take my brush and make sure all the concealer is blended out thoroughly. I'm going to take the same concealer that I used for my eyebrows and now I'm going to conceal my face wherever I have dark marks. Next, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and blend out all the concealer. After that, I'm going to take the same eyebrow pencil and line my lips with it. Okay, so you guys know I have oily skin, so I'm going to take my NYX setting powder and I'm going to use just a little to just make sure I'm not sweating and my makeup is not oily, to give it that nice finish. Now I'm going to take my MAC finishing powder in the color dark tan and I'm going to apply it all over my face to make sure all the powder and concealer is nicely blended. I'm going to take my matte setting spray and I'm going to spray it all over my face. After, I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend the product throughout my face. Now I'm going to take my Great Lash Mascara by Maybelline. This is one of my favorites. After that, I'm going to take my Nicka Beauty Strawberry Gloss and apply it on my lips. This is one of my favorites as well. Then I'm going to take my True Complexions by Black Radiance contour palette. And out of this palette, I always use the highlight. Now this is the final look. I hope you guys like this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's the summertime, so we're trying to wear less makeup, so I hope this was a nice tutorial for you guys.